Hello, my name is Pankaj. Today we're going to talk about the Cloud Natural Language API, which basically gives insightful text analysis. So it comes in a many flavor, like it help you to extract the entities from a text, perform sentiments, and classify text into category. In this demo, what we're gonna do is like we're gonna classify a text into the categories. So in order to do this one, you need to do the three things. Basically, first we need to enable this API. Second one, we need to generate the API key so that we can invoke this API on GCP cloud. And the third is basically go and invoke this API. So let's get started. So now here I'm in my GCP console. I logged in the GCP console. So the first thing we'll need to do is to go to the API and services in the library. And that is where actually we'll need to enable this Cloud Natural Language API enable. Yeah, so this is my Cloud Natural Language API, and I am enabling this one here. Okay, so this API has been enabled. Now, so the next thing probably in your case you'll need to do is you need to create a credential for the APIs to where we can invoke. In my case, in my earlier demo, like I just created the key, but I'll just show you how you can create it. So you go to this API services credential, and in the credential you have to just go and say create credential. Inside this one you'll just say API key. So that API key will get generated and it will appear under here. And this is the key basically which we'll need in order to invoke those API at a GCP. I will be invoking this Natural Cloud Language API through this Cloud Shell. So I'm just enable this Cloud Shell. So my shell is opening. So the first thing actually I want to do is like once the Cloud Shell is available for me, I want to export this key. So now my Cloud Shell is enabled. So what actually I'm doing is I'm exporting those keys. So like whenever the next time, whenever I'm invoking the API, I'll just pass this as my API key instead of passing this entire big key. So it's been enabled. Now the next thing I want to do is like I want to this open the editor. That is where I'll just go and create a file called a request.json. Basically what I'll be passing to this file is the content for which I want to classify that content into the category. Yeah, so here my editor is open, so I'll just go and create a new file. Just give this file name as a request.json. So the content of my request.json will be like our type document, and then my type is a plain text, and in the content I'll just go and just for this demo what actually I'm planning to do is like just pick any content from this internet little bit the content. So I'm just going to the cnn.com sites and I'll just click on the whatever the first news is there and just copy the first paragraph or so. So I'm just going to copy this first two paragraph. So this is where I will just copy the content what actually I copied on CNN website. Go there and say save. Now again I go to my terminal to execute the curl command. So this is my curl command. In my curl command I am saying like this is this language API I need to execute. Out of that API I need to call this particular method classify text, and I already exported this API key, so that the API key I am passing there, and let's execute this one. Yeah, so now it correctly categorize whatever the content we pass. So like we pass the content which is most which is related to the flight, the travel, and if you can see here in the categorize it the confidence this is 99. It's about travel and the air travels are related. It's exactly what are the content we pass it to that particular API. This is what actually I wanted to demonstrate, and I hope so. I hope so. You learn something with this, About all this command, I will be putting in a description. Command. Thanks for your time.